been a team proven leader. It's an honor to nominate the veteran of Pastor Michael Allen for Attorney General.
Good afternoon, Council. My name is Lisa LeMay, and I'm the first Republican District Attorney for Pueblo County in 68 years. And I am proud to second the nomination for Michael Allen for Attorney General.
Thank you both, Kayla and Jared, for your nominations. Thank you, Colorado Republicans. Today's a great day. My name is Michael Allen, and I humbly accept the nomination to serve as our next Colorado Attorney General. And we're going to make sure everyone is counted and counted one time. You remember what President Trump demanded from all of us after he was shot at the union? We demanded we fight. He demanded from all of us that we fight for the soul of this nation. He demanded that we stand up and make our voices counted. And then we all saw why we need to fight. The day Charlie Kirk was assassinated in broad daylight. The stakes have never been higher, and the chance to turn this state around has never been better than it is today. Together we have a long, tough journey ahead of ourselves. Election day is 206 days from today, and we've got no time to waste. That journey starts today when we come together and focus on beating the Democrats. So I've got a question for all of you. Are you going to sit back and let Democrats continue to strip away our rights? Are you going to fight? Are you going to fight for our freedom? For our families? And fight to make Colorado safe again? Because I'll tell you something, my whole life has been about fighting. I served our nation when I was in the United States Navy, and I fought my way through college and law school. When I first ran to be district attorney, people told me I had no chance. They said I had no name recognition and that I could not be an establishment politician. But I put in the hard work, I fought and built a grassroots campaign, and we won together. And now they're telling us that Republicans can't win in Colorado anymore. They're telling us we can't win the Attorney General's race. But I'm telling you today, they are dead wrong. I'm a Colorado native. I lived up in my society for 31 years and a father to two amazing young men. Our families are why we fight. And the future of this state is why we fight. This great state is why we fight. And here's the truth they don't want to talk about. Crime is not just a public safety issue. It's a cost of living issue. When crime goes up, costs go up. Your car insurance goes up. Your home insurance goes up. Prices at the store go up. And businesses and people start to leave our great state. And we've experimented long enough with New York-style politics. Our current Attorney General, Bill Weiser, is a lawyer who cut his teeth among the liberal East Coast elites. He stakes his entire political future on one strategy, and that is suing the Trump administration over 60 times. Under their approach, government has gotten bigger, more expensive, less responsive, and more bureaucratic. And I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of East Coast elites coming west and telling us how to manage our lives. I'm a native Coloradan. I was raised right here in the Rocky Mountains. I know this land and I know our people. Here in the West, rugged individualism is still a virtue. We determine our future, not the Democrats, and it is time to beat Janet Griswold. Join